Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I had this video idea for a while now, which is how to make your sketchbooks pop and, make them stand out. I had several videos on my channel already on this topic, so I will try to find them again or something. But my favorite sketchbooks I like to work in, to get really messy in, and to really have fun and explore are these Artist Loft sketchbooks. They are $5 and they're really cheap, and they're just plain sketch paper. So I'll flip through several sketchbooks with you. This is a very old sketchbook I used in 2021. I decorated the cover and everything with gesso, and I remember painting the back and the front, and it was just a lot of fun. Like, I made it really messy. I stuck things in, which is why it's big and fat and everything. So we're gonna go to the nitty-gritty part where it all started, with getting your sketchbooks all messy and make them look full and everything. And you want to I usually stick cards in, or whatever, and if I could do, brainstorm what I think of, and that's basically how I use my sketchbooks. Now, a little disclaimer here, I do have my window open because it's a nice day out, and I figured why not have the ambience in the background. If you hear any honking cars in the background, my neighborhood is full of cars right now, so I just want to disclaimer. Here's an example of a page. I'll do a gesture drawing here where it all started. Now I'm thinking to myself, oh, I could use backgrounds, like abstract media backgrounds or something along the lines. Here's some more with acrylic paint. I'm going this really fast because it's almost dinner time, and I just want to kind of have a throwback in the past with you guys. So here's some Christmas. This is near Christmas time, I think, when I was doing the sketchbook. So here's some more backgrounds, and they really do make your pages full. Kind of a little bit like a taste of art journaling, but with sketches. And I'm doing this really fast. I've already did a tour of this. So yeah. So this is my sketchbook for this past, and it's just a way to make your sketchbook look full. Another tip when you want your pages to pop is to add contrast color. I've been learning that a lot with coloring. I've been coloring books, but I don't feel like drawing, and that's been really helpful. It's in bad hands. Here's some more Christmas sketches. And here's just some regular sketches and that was the end of my sketchbook. But this one I started because I went to Michael's the other day, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get messy in the sketchbook, have some fun, make some art, and here's the first spread, some loose sketches. My first real spread I did in the sketchbook. I had fun with that, and I used watercolor inks for this, Dr. P.H. Martin's, that I got for Christmas, and I've been having a lot of fun. So I've been experimenting, spring mark sheets. And then here's the page we'll be doing together. I'm not necessarily going to be doing the background together, but I'm just going to be sketching these unicorns with you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Kind of like short and sweet, to the point. I made it really fast for you guys. So if you're new here, it's a little bit different video because I usually do how to draw tutorials. But we're kicking it off differently, and I will be back in my art room this week. I'm really excited. I can't wait to make more videos for you guys, and it's going to be really fun. So this is the last few videos in my bedroom, so hopefully you'll be in my art room soon. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below, turn notification bell on so you won't miss a video. And guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to this part of the video where we usually do a speed drawing, but I feel like I should keep it real time for you guys because it's been a good minute since I posted a video, like a different video other than drawing tutorials, if you know what I mean. So I want to discuss on some tips and tricks how you can make your sketchbook stand out and how you can make your sketchbook look full. Tip number one is backgrounds. and like, I'm not talking about backgrounds that you'll do in illustrations. I'm talking about backgrounds that you do in mixed media, art journaling, and yeah, so that's what I'm talking about, and that's what makes your sketchbook look cool. And if you put it on, if you make it into a spread, it looks really cool in your sketchbook. Second tip number 2, if you want to make your sketchbook stand out, as you see here in these sketches, is to make contrast colors in your sketchbooks. Now, you don't want necessarily clash, like you don't want them to layer on top of each other, because if you do, that'll make it really muddy, but if you put them against each other, it makes it really pop. And you can do this with sizes of your sketchbook, you can do this with colors, you can do this with, like, say you want to have a pencil sketch and then the rest of them are inked, or you want a very detailed sketch and the rest of the sketches are simplified. You can do it that way, or you can do like let's see, we could do like contrast colors and backgrounds or something, or for your sketches. And it's just a really fun way to spruce up your sketchbook and make it look messy looking and more fulfilled, if you will. And I come from experience by watching Skillshare classes and everything, and they taught me a lot about sketchbooks, and you put everything in your sketchbooks. And I know I have like a lot of sketchbook videos on my channel, and I just thought about making another one because I felt like I've been doing a lot of drawing tutorials for you guys. I know you guys like them, but I feel like this is a different way of having fun together, and you know, just to relax, chill, and sketch with me type videos. So again, some announcements I have in store for you guys. I will be back in my art room this week. I'm so excited. I can't wait because I've been in my bedroom. That's why I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. Because my bedroom, throwing myself under the bus here, has been quite messy, and I've been trying to clean it and everything, and with the art supplies and everything else, it's like, it's hard to keep it clean, and I usually would be in my art room and everything, to keep it balanced. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you have any suggestions for other videos you have in store, I just thought this might be short, sweet, and quick for you guys. Just let me know down in the comments down below. I'll be happy to do the video for you, and we can have fun together. So I'll be back making videos, not this week, but the next week after, prior to moving back into my art room. So I'm really excited for that, and I can't wait for the new journey for you guys. And I'm sorry I haven't been posting that much. So yeah, I really don't have much else to say here. I think we're good with the voiceover. If you have any questions or anything like that about the materials I am using, I'm using Crayola Super Tip, Tombow brush pens, Crayola markers, and all the sorts. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a video. And guys, thank you for watching. I hope you had a great Easter celebrating, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.